Hello, thank you for your interest in Custom Price Calculator. This app was created out of our own needs as Shopify merchants. We wanted to provide our customers with an intuitive way to order products tailored to their specific needs, with pricing that reflects those customizations. In the example today, I will show you how you can charge for add-ons using this app. This concept is a great way to upsell your products and services and can be applied to all your custom products that you sell on Shopify. For this example, we will be selling a product called tiles, and we want to be able to allow our shoppers to add installation fee. So first of all, on the Shopify product page, we want to make sure we have the product set up with a base price that we want to sell on. Next, on the custom price calculator app in Shopify, we're going to create a calculator that will add a fee, if selected, to the base price in Shopify. To do so, we'll add a checkbox element. We will name it installation fee, and the unchecked value can be 0, and if it is checked, we will add 100. Next, in the formula, we will use the Shopify product price, which will pull the base product price off the Shopify product that this calculator will be embedded on, and we will add the installation fee. Next, we can do a preview and see that the baseline price in the preview is 10, and if we add, it goes up to 110. We will add it to the tiles product, and we will click save. Next, we can go to the product page on the Shopify store. We'll refresh our page, and we'll see the calculator now is embedded. The base price is 100. If I click, it goes up to 200. If I unclick, it will go back to 100, and I can add it to cart, check out, and buy this product with or without the service. That's all there is to it. In just a few simple clicks, you can create a calculator that lets you add and charge for additional offerings to your Shopify products. If you have any questions about this process or any of our other features, feel free to reach out. You can install the app and start a free trial directly from the Shopify App Store. Thank you for watching.